Hey, how y'all doing today? Now, this is me after going to have surgery yesterday morning. Today is the 8th. Yesterday was the, okay, let me get this right. Yesterday was the 9th. Today is the 10th. I'm talking like this because my throat, I believe, is swollen just as well as my lip, as you can see. This lip look like something out of goddamn horror movie. This shit here don't make no sense. Now, I don't know what the hell these doctors be doing, but they got me fucked up right now. I lie and scare the hell out of my babies in the morning. They get up. Yeah, they lie and I want to go to school because how bad I look. It don't make no sense. My head hurt. I done drunk all kind of Benadryl trying to get this motherfucker to go down. But I just want y'all to see this shit. I look fucked up. My mama seen me right now, she'll goddamn it probably cry. But I'm gonna be alright though. Cause I know one thing, the Lord is on my side. One way or another. Peace out, motherfucker. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Nah, it's 3 hours later, and my shit still sweating up. You see that? I just can't believe this shit. This is unreal. What? I'm be at that goddamn doctor's office soon as they open. Something ain't fucking right, I'm telling you. I can't even holler swallow. This shit's crazy. But I just had to get y'all to look at it again. I know y'all can tell. Even my bottom lip is even swole. It's swole too. It wasn't swole the first time I shot for y'all. That motherfucker swole too. Ain't that about a bitch? Man, I can't win for losing, yo. It's like the devil putting out all knives right now. You know, trying to cut a nigga down, man. I got some fun though. My God said he's a lie. You won't cut me down. You trying though. We gonna get this taken care of. And just a little bit. Look at that lip, y'all. I'm just, man. I'm so motherfucking angry about this shit right here. But it's all good though. It's all good. Alright, let's take 2. Appreciate y'all. Peace out.